Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Telets, and for today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Very excited to do this, guys. This is my first time to do an unboxing with a company called Therabox. If you guys are not familiar, Therabox is actually a monthly subscription with about $35 price. In return, you get about 6 to 8 products of self-care and worth about $100. So if you guys are based here in US, please check this out. I'll put their link in the description box so you guys can visit the website. And just so you know, guys, this is actually my very first collab with the company Therabox, and I can't wait to show you guys what I've got. I know a lot of you guys are actually busy with their life, with their work, and it's sometimes overwhelming to balance between our life, our work, and even a 10 minutes break of doing our skincare makes a lot of difference. I actually got the box yesterday and really can't wait to open it, you guys. It looks pretty and I love the color. This is actually my favorite color. So I can't wait to unbox this in front of you. So in front of the box it says Therabox Ingredients to Happiness. Here's the website, www.mytherabox.com. I'll also put the link in the description box if you guys want to visit that. And then it says Unbox Happiness. I'm excited. Let's see what's inside. In the box, I've got this information manual. It's actually their 3rd birthday, so this is like their anniversary box. It's pretty. And then inside it says, hooray, it's our 3rd birthday, so happy birthday, Therabox, and congratulations. So you'll get to see more information that you need, their websites, and how you can get, of course, a free box. And then all the information that you need per, of course, per item or per products. Plus, of course, the retail price. So let's open the box and I'll show you guys what I have inside. Alright, let's open. Ooh. I love sheet mask actually. It's always part of my skincare, and just so you know, I always look forward when it comes to skincare. Okay, so our very first product, this is what I've got. I always love sheet mask. Say I use it for like 1 to 2 times a week. So it's really good that they actually include this. It is actually from Sweet Chef. It has, of course, the natural ingredients. I love that. Very picky when it comes to my skincare. I love putting products that are not actually very harsh on my skin. So this is actually a kale plus a vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. It actually hydrates and suits dry skin, which we tend to have, especially on this kind of weather. So it's summer and our skin tend to become really dry. First product, it hydrates and suits dry skin. Plus, good thing it's vegan, cruelty-free, free of parabens, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. Retail price is actually about $3.99. So the next product, you guys, is actually from Top Tonic Divination. It is a soaking salt. Next product is from Top Tonic from Divination. It's a soaking salt, scent of sandalwood and sage. And I can't wait to use this, you guys. Oh my goodness. This smells so good. Oh, you guys, this smells so good. This is about 226 grams. Nothing quite relaxing, like, of course, lighting your candles and pouring yourself a glass of red wine and soaking in a tub of warm water, especially with the Divine bath salts. This bath salts really smell amazing. They're actually created to enhance your senses with an aromatic blend, sandalwood and sage, and the skin softening sensation of select soothing salts. The sage melt layers of tension away and sets a mood of relaxation. So you get this product with a retail price of $14.99. And our third product. This is the third one. This is a brilliant black toothpaste with activated charcoal. It's a whitening, vegan, and mint. So this is from the company 𝓤𝓲𝓬𝓻𝓲𝓬𝓻𝓲𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬 brilliant black toothpaste with activated charcoal. It's actually good for whitening your teeth, and it's a vegan and mint flavor. And it also says here that if you purchase this, you support a low income of homeless women, so that's amazing. And it has no fluoride, no triclosan, it's cruelty free and gluten free. If you love tea, if you love coffee, or a wine lover, this is actually a good product for you. Gentle organic charcoal toothpaste. It's great for even those with sensitive teeth and gum. It works brightening your teeth and makes it really pearly white. So this organic charcoal teeth whitening toothpaste also combines coconut and tea tree oils to remove the blocked buildup. It combats bacteria and promote healthy oral care. The good thing about this product is actually non-toxic, and it's made with natural ingredients that are healthy for you and your teeth and of course your environment. It's clinically tested and safe for your enamel, with about $25 a retail price in the market. Next product. I've got this product from Dr. Botanicals. It's a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. You could actually use it for your hands, for your body. It's worth $17 here in US, and it is made of lemongrass, high in vitamin A, C, and it works to brighten and provide antioxidants and protection to soothe and replenish your dry skin. Plus, of course, I love coconut oil. It's a high in coconut oil, an antioxidant and fatty acids that work to hydrate and restore and protect, of course, your skin. I love to smell it. So it's actually about 50 ml. I love the lemons. I love the scent. Plus it's very soft on my hands. It's not too strong. It smells amazing. Multi-use, high-performance botanical body balm that works in 3 ways. You could use it as a moisturizer, as a treatment, or as a cleanser. 6% natural formula packed full of minerals and antioxidants and of course vitamins, including the lemongrass, which actually works wonderful. Features antioxidant protection. It helps soothe and replenish dry skin. I also love the fact that this balm goes on smooth and soaks right in without, of course, clogging your pores, and it's a vegan and cruelty-free product. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the next one. Alright, here's another one. AMNH. It says, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says AMNH birthday cake lip scrub, and it's a natural edible lip scrub. I love the color of this, you guys. It's cute. It looks pretty. Ingredient, it says it's a shea butter, mango butter, it's coconut oil, sugar, flavor oil. This is our next product from AMNH. Again, it's a birthday cake lip scrub. So it's a skincare and it's a natural edible. It's from amina.com. They have their website in here too, and you can actually get a 20% off their birthday. They have like a code in here that you should include whenever you want to purchase the product. Like for this one, it says use the code birthday cake to get a 10% of the ingredients included. It has a shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, sugar, flavor oil, and so on and so on. But you guys, this is actually worth $14.99. So let's try to smell. Let me try to smell what's inside. I'll show you what's inside, you guys. This is how it looks inside. Looks like a birthday cake with unicorn. don't know what this, but it's a pink and yellow and white. And let me try to get a little bit. Oh wow, smells so good. Lip scrub from Amina, or AMNH. Really smells amazing. So the Amina Skincare Birthday Cake Lip Scrub is worth $14.99. The blend of sugar and essential oil also help hydrate, firm, and of course protect your lips from future drying, cracking, or chapping. And it's very gentle enough to use weekly or whenever the mood strikes. Scrub before going to bed. And of course, apply any lip balm before going to bed for bouncy, soft lip after your beauty slumber. Next product. Alright, we've got this Flower Mill Calming Chamomile Mask. Here's our next product. Is a Calming Chamomile Mask from Flower Mill. It is worth $42. The Flower Mill Calming Chamomile Mask is made of herbal ingredients for sensitive skin. It helps soothe irritation. This product hydrates, strengthens, and soothes your skin. As pores are being cleared, it has an anti-inflammatory properties, and it's one of the most herbal ingredients for sensitive skin. Plus, it soothes irritation as well. This is worth about $42. Our next product is the huge box which has the wellness tea sample box. So this is the tea sample box. I love drinking tea, and this box has a traditional Chinese medicine blends, antioxidant tea, happy tea, energy tea, and sleep tea. So let's try to see what's inside. So this is what's inside. It looks pretty. Well, hello, how lovely to meet you. A wise man once said, healthy people are smart, so I proclaim you smart and fabulous. Yours in greatness, the wellness box. Alright. Inside you'll get a book or a manual book wherein you can find some information about the product, some helpful tips. I love drinking tea, so I guess this is one of the best product that I've got inside the box, and I can't wait to taste all of the tea bags inside. So the tea box is worth $19.95. It's an Australian company which brings traditional herbal. This is an Australian company bringing a traditional herbal medicine back to the 21st century. I always love to drink tea, and your tea creates their blends based on an ancient modality. You know, this is an Australian company which brings traditional herbal medicine back to the 21st century. Your tea's every blend is created by qualified traditional medicine practitioners and accompanied by endless health resources to complement this restorative herbal journey. Your tea creates their blends based on the ancient modality that acknowledges the mind, the body, and the soul. Great to know that Therabox is not only based on skincare, or you don't only get the products of skincare, but actually some goodies. So it's great to get one box of this tea sample box, because we all know that drinking tea is actually good for your health. I love it. It has an antioxidant, energy tea, sleep tea if you have problems of sleep. Wow, I love the box of tea. This is a wellness tea sample box, and it comes with antioxidant tea, sleep tea, energy tea, and happy tea. So I can't wait to try everything inside the box. Last item that I've got is actually this, I would say like an organizer, or it says more self-love. Really pretty, you guys. This book looks like an organizer or activities for you to do. So they added this for some fun activities for you to do. Mood tracker, it has the self-care bingo, DIY self-care bingo, and some other. You can paste your photos and other love yourself moment while you're doing your skincare, I guess. And then you can write down in here as well. It says my self-care ideas. It's great that they added this organizer or fun activity for you to do while you're doing your skincare routine. Last but not the least, we have the aromatic mint CBD lip salve worth $10. It's a lip balm which you could actually use. Alright, for our last product, we're gonna try their aromatic mint CBD lip salve. It has an organic beeswax, organic coconut oil, THC-free hemp extract powder acquired from hemp, and organic peppermint oil. So let's try this lip salve. Smells so good. It's a mint flavor. It's from the CBDlab.com and it's worth about $10. You can just apply it on your lip all week long. Very natural with all the natural ingredients in here, like the organic beeswax, organic coconut oil. You can apply it to your lips all week long to keep your lips supple and hydrated. This one, oops, empty. So that is so far. We've got like 8 products inside our Therabox. So the monthly subscription for the Therabox is worth $35. Will you get Therabox is worth $35, filled with over $100 worth of amazing self-care goodies, not only for your skincare but also for your health, which is, I think, really worth it for you to try. All these amazing goodies in one box. Plus, of course, the packaging is amazing. You get to use this box for anything else that you like to use. Overall, you guys, I think this product is worth trying. So if you guys are interested to visit or to learn more, I'll put their link in the description and you guys can check it out. Overall, you guys, I actually enjoy unboxing the Therabox, and I did not actually expect the products. They're really good. They smell so good. I love the book, so I think that it's really worth trying. So overall, this month's box value is worth about $165 and more. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy our unboxing for today. I hope to see you all again next time for another one. Bye guys.